today's vlog. I'm not actually sure if I'm going to attach this to yesterday's vlog or not. It depends on how long that one was. This is my cousin Anthony who's hanging out with us today. My battery on my camera's already low, babe. Similarly to yesterday, we don't really have very many plans, so we're just going to drive around a little bit. We're not going to do the same route as yesterday though, and we're actually going to a boulder. Is that how you pronounce it? A boulder, which Anthony is super excited about, right?
Can you tell us more about the boulder?
I don't know anything about, well, I don't know too much about the boulder, but I'm going to wait till we get there to see what it's like.
That's a bold move.
Oh, God. So I don't know if the boys are mocking me, but they're like, whoa, actually the boulders are massive.
They are.
They are massive.
But you don't know why. But you don't know why they're famous boulders, because I think there's probably bigger boulders. The boulders we saw yesterday may have been bigger.
So why are these fun?
They move, but you can never tip them.
Okay.
Now I don't know which boulder it is. There's a singular boulder that you can push, you can rock it, but it won't tip.
Okay.
Okay.
I bet I can push it over.
Yes, of course.
Let's go.
Or maybe we have to go to YouTube if we can't work out which one it is that moves. It's a bit scary, to be honest. It's not that one then, is it? Maybe it's further along, who knows? Let's go to YouTube and see what it looks like.
Oh, it's this one.
No, it's not. It's not, is it?
Alright guys, anti-pop section. This camera angle is very good on me. I know you guys are my favourite. You guys can see me a lot more of this channel. I'm going to take over. Okay.
That seems to be a bit of a fail because couldn't get it to move. Either it doesn't move or we just can't do it. What do you think? We can't do it or it doesn't move? Maybe both.
It does move.
So we've now gone off-road because we spotted a little sign that said Varagem do Sal. Oh no, I don't know if we should carry on.
Well, we've got no choice now.
Yeah, we can't turn around.
It's probably a tractor road.
Why is someone just...
Tractor?
It's a little bit of a bumpy road. We've got quite a high car though, so hopefully it's okay, but it's not a four-wheel drive. So fingers crossed we'll make it back up. We will, right?
I don't know, it's like an episode of Top Gear.
No, seriously, do you think we will? Because otherwise we obviously shouldn't go.
No, we'll be fine. We do not want to get a puncture.
Yeah, puncture.
Call the AA. Yeah, so where are you guys? It's on the road.
No, you'd have to change it.
Me?
Oh mate, this was not a good idea. So this is the view, it's incredible. However, we think we're chickening out because we're just scared that we're going to get a puncture on the way back up. Honestly, I want to chicken out.
You want to check now?
Yeah. I don't understand why there was a sign as if like this is a doable path.
That road looks a bit too.
I was expecting to like get down there and have like a coffee shop. But I just don't think that's going to be the case. We need to be careful going back up as well.
I just go around to get real.
Yeah, go on. I think this is by far the best place for us to do a 3-point turn. Yeah, do you always get into situations like this with us? It's like Anthony's sunglasses, he stole them from my room. He thinks they're meme-like sunglasses.
Start.
Yeah, make it. Okay, perfect. That was stressful. It's still stressful.
Yeah, but look, the viewers.
We haven't got over the worst.
I mean, I don't know.
You just look forward.
I don't like looking that way. It's like mental. Who the hell thought it was a good idea to put a road here?
I don't understand why there was a sign as if like it's a good place for tourists to go. Yeah. Are we gonna turn around or
Back
what?
home?
Yeah. This sign, dumbest sign, don't follow it. the first time this year. I'm not even sure how. Fingers crossed this has got a proper road and not a wild road like earlier. Oh my god, that mountain is black. It's weird. Okay, there's signs. What do they say? There's an orange one pointing right to Praia Fluvial. Can you see it? So let's go that way. We've admitted defeat. We've been defeated by Portuguese road signs again. Maybe on the way back we'll see them, who knows?
Portuguese road signs are like, come this way, come this way, come this way. Psych! There's nothing to see here.
So there was a sign to a castle, which I've actually heard of before and I really want to go to. So we're on our way up another slightly crazy road. This one's not as crazy as earlier, I'd argue.
Only because we can't see what's the top is like.
No, I don't think that's true. Anthony's singing It's Happening Again, and I'm trying to look forward to might as well second pair of eyes.
I'm trying to keep us alive.
It's not too bad.
Just going further down so you guys on track. Drift here.
Anthony spotted the castle, he's really wowed by it. Why is your hat like this?
I see.
Turn left, then your destination will be on the right.
Left where? Here?
Yeah, it says turn left here. There's the castle. There's a lorry up here. Oh no, that's Bombay. Oh, it's Bombeiros. Oh, that's a bit worrying. Yeah, they're just here for a picnic. Okay, let me tell you about this castle. It's got a 4.6 rating on TripAdvisor.
Is that bad? Why'd you laugh at that?
Because that's such a useless fact. It's a medieval castle. Looks like this may be closed, which would be a real shame to be honest, because there's not much to see if it is closed. Oh yeah, it's under construction. We can see the scaffolding. So this is definitely closed. I was going to try and peek in, but I can't. And this is the shabby view. So Mike's saying this is all basically Spain, and then the town is Chaves.
Yeah, that little area there is Chaves. Basically everything to our right is Spain.
Should we go further round?
There's this bush here.
But can you see up there?
Yeah.
And what is it? Just castle?
The wall.
Just the wall?
This is a wall here. Ah, do you want me to
I guess so. Oh.
That was me almost gone. I mean, it's just the wall. And you get a better view, I guess.
Saw another brown sign, we're following it. It says, there's one that said river, but that's not really the one we're following. We're following the one that says Tor, which is a tower. Mike's convinced it was like this cross that was up there. I don't think it is. I think I've seen what it is. I think it's this.
This is like something Hamleys would build to
This
attract
is
customers.
so cool. Well, apparently this village built it to attract me. You don't think this is cool?
What the hell was this?
We are now going for dinner at my aunt's house. Mike's got Dominoes, which we bought in the shops in Chaves.
And water balloons.
And water balloons. Water balloons are up for today. But the plan for the rest of the evening is to have some dinner and play some Dominoes.
Yes.